everybody. Let's focus on another typical mathematical riddle. I am drawing the equation first. 13 plus 13 equal to 4. 14 plus 14 equal to 6. 15 plus 15 equal to 8. Now you have to find the value of 19 plus 19. Okay. It's a typical mathematical magic. Okay. By logic or by putting the pure mathematical logic, it will be very tough to solve a typical equation like this. So you have to think in another direction. That's why this type of equations are called mathematical puzzles or equational puzzles or riddles or brain teasers, whatever you can say. Okay, this is not these results, you will not achieve these results by solving any kind of equations or putting any kind of mathematical logics here. So you have to think in downstream way. Okay, that's the way I am showing how to think you properly here. Now 13 plus 13, just concentrate over the first row of equation. Here are 4 rows of equation, so take the first row. Okay, now compare this first row of equation with the second row of equation. 14 plus 14 equal to 6. This is the second row of equation. Now compare the two equations and see what the logic actually implemented or what the logic actually you can see here. So the first number is 13 and the second number is 14. So you can say 13 plus 1 equal to 14. So the difference between 13 and 14 is 1, and there are two 13s and 2 14s. So obviously another equation will be 13 plus 1 equal to 14. Now this is the left hand side equation. Now see the right hand side numbers, the relation between the right hand side numbers between two rows, that is 4 and 6. 6 equal to 4 plus 2. Now if you break the number 2 in two parts consisting 1 in each part, what you will get? 4 plus 2 equal to 1 plus 1. Now what you actually see here, 2 1s are added with 4, and if you find the relevancies between these 2 1s and these 2 1s, you will get a relational logic. What is the actual relational logic? So here 2 1s are added and these 2 1s are taken from these 2 1s to get the number. Now if you compare row 2, the equation in row 2 and equation in row 3, that is 14 plus 14 equal to 6 and 15 plus 15 equal to 8. If you put the same logic here, so what we get? 14 plus 1 equal to 15. 14 plus 1 equal to 15. There are 2 14s, 2 15s and 2 1s. And difference between 6 and 8 equal to 2. So 8 equal to 6 plus 2 equal to 6 plus 1 plus 1. Similarly, these two ones are added here. So here in each row 1 is added with the number in left hand side, and in case of right hand side directly 2 ones are added. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2 is added with its previous number to get the next number. Similarly, what the next row of equation after 15? After 15 it's 19. So difference between 19 equal to 15 plus 4. If you break this 4 into in the multiplication of 1, so 4 ones will be involved here. That means 15 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Why there are 4 ones? Because 19 are 4 steps forward. Consider this 1 as a next step. So 19 is 4 steps forward from 15. Similarly, there are 2 15s and 2 19s. This is the first 19. In case of the second 19, it will be 15 plus 4 equal to 15 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Got it? So what actually you get and how much ones actually added? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8 ones. That is 8 is added. Now if you add, so the left hand equation is now complete. Now just move in case of right hand equation. Now if you add total 8 ones with the number 8, so what you actually get? 8 plus 1 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 equal to 8 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 8 plus 8 equal to 16. So 19 plus 19 will be 16 from the logic. Okay. So the question mark will be replaced with the number 16 to complete the logical series or equational riddle. It looks a bit complex, but if you think in a different way, actually it is not very complex. It is very easy. So don't always think in terms of mathematics for this type of equations. That's why it is not called pure mathematical equation, it's called brain teasers or mathematical riddles. Okay, hope you have got the logic. Thanks for this one. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, bye bye.